What is up, guys? I'm here at the shop. As you can see, the STIs right there. About 2 years maybe that I haven't freaking buffed it. As you can see how it's like all hazy. This, of course, that's how it is. But I mean, I haven't buffed. There's like a little, you can see the little bit of scratches. That, I tried saving it last time, but fortunately it has to get wet sanded. But I did do the hood slightly. So it is pretty smooth. It's a little dusty on there, but I washed it yesterday. And right now I'm gonna go over it with some clay bars. Some clay bar action. But here it is. This is my car that I've had for 5 years. Here are the homies. ¿Qué pasó? What's up, my boy?
God damn. Shit, my boy right here just be talking shit. You don't really know what he's doing.
For real. I'm gonna get the clay bar. I'm gonna start clay barring this car because I want to see how it is. I'm gonna get all my stuff out of my bag because I have all my detailing stuff in there. So yeah, let's get to it. Up. Gotta use every bit of it. Ugh. There you go. What's up, guys? So I just finished doing the spoiler. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, where's it at? Oh, there it is. It looks shiny. Look at that. It was hazy at first, but now I could literally see my phone through the reflection from my angle. But dudes, oh my god. And it feels so smooth. Oh my god. I am determined to do the whole car now because, yeah, I want to see it shiny. All right, so I'm gonna start doing this side. This is the passenger rear quarter. See the swirls there, right there where that paint chip is, the light is, right there. Let me see what I can work with on this side. I'm actually gonna start working this way, going on that way. Yeah, don't look at this side because there's a dent there, there's a dent there, and then chips. To get me through the day, amber, amber, oh amber. Oh, amber. Let's get to it. Conditioning. Little dimes. Okay. I love it. Now let's work on the passenger door. Give it a good old wipey down. Oh my goodness gracious. You don't see this on a 2006 anymore. Honestly. Take care of your paint, guys, because cars that are this old don't look like this anymore. Shout out to Detail Depot. They supplied me with my Wrx with some pads. And of course, the conditioner, the clay bar, the luber. But shout out to Walmart for the McGuire's. Shout out to McGuire's. Because this... Oh, let me get it. This is shiny as hell. Woo! Oh shit. We are about to do un cambio de aceite.
Screw this in a little bit more, my boy.
Dude, my shit keeps rubbing. You can see how many times I get scraped right here in the bottom. Oh yeah, that's just out of place.
Because somebody scraped it and damaged it.
Yeah, I wonder who.
That was me, wait.
Who?
One time.
Oh,
I forgot you had to live, and I went forward. And
My
I
boy.
didn't hear nothing because I barely rolled, and he was like, who drove my car? And I was like, me. He said, would you bet my live? I said, what? And he showed me a pic. I showed it. I said, damn, that is on me, my boy.
So I appreciate you for zipping it out. I appreciate
No,
you.
I got you, little.
What you see? What you see? What you see?
I see that you smashing your side skirt. You propped it up, not me. That's what I see right here from the
Well,
get-go.
where else could I put it, dude? My shit's all bashed in. Oh.
The frame rim? The frame rim? Let's see what I see. I see this scrape. That's where you don't lower cars. Now you're affecting flow. You hear me? You hear me? See here, we need to edge a little bit of rust and put some POR 15
Uh-huh.
in here.
No, you can beat to buy the cans on Amazon where.
Oh, I see. He told me about it. Yeah.
You have to.
POR 15.
Just like, pinche, what is it, sand it a little bit, way?
You know, I just.
You see the motherfucking big nurse thing?
Did you see the missing clamp?
Oh, that!
What?
The hanger.
Oh, goddamn.
Need to see how you will attach this on this part. You gotta bracket up this way part. Yeah.
You good, bro? No, since someone had to move the car.
I'm sorry.
The what? My lips got killed by a bird.
About to do the oil change though. I got me some goodies. Some goodies from the homies. Where that? There it is. Some Liquimoly, anti-friction. The good stuff. Made in Germany. Thank you. Look at that. Damn. Hold up. Hey, you know what I fucking realized?
What? That is rusted?
That, but
Or not?
that no. Dude, my fucking undershield fucking flew off.
Oh, you have one?
Yeah, I had one, but now it's not there anymore.
Yeah, well, I see this piece here. I don't know what it's
Yeah, that's what was broke off when I went to
How
work.
do you not realize your undershield flew off? It's making a lot of.
Dude, I don't know. I don't remember. Because the last time I did my oil change was at Subaru. All those motherfuckers.
They got you.
Yeah. Because look, the bolt's right here too, where it goes into.
It's missing some equal lengths.
Oh.
It's missing some equal lengths.
Hey, these add character though, because they have like the rust, you know what I'm saying? The rusties, bro.
The whole car's character.
Exactly.
If Russ adds it, then the whole car is a character.
It's my character. Yeah, that's where I remember, because I didn't do the oil change last time, remember? Old drain plug, new crush ring. Wrx XP. Appreciate you, O'Reilly's. American brake cleaner. No drop of oil. Oh shit. Appreciate you, Jose. We did a little rust prevention here and over here in the back. But I mean, there's still a lot that I need to do. Like, no, you just gotta drop it and put the oil in. But shout out to my homie Tristan, getting me the oil filter I need. And of course, the oil that I need, which here in Texas, you do need 1040. Appreciate you, my boy. And then shout out to Hugo for messing up my lip and then putting the screws back in, so thanks. I'm not gonna lie, ever since I lowered my car and I had that accident, I've been hearing this the whole time. And it's been bothering the hell out of me every time I drive. It rubs against the tire and I can just hear it every time I'm driving. Where's that blade? I need a blade. I know this blade, I have one right here. There you are. So I got this much. Oh, wait a minute. I could literally clip this on here, dude. What's this when I needed it, bro? Sauce. There you are. Awesome. It's secured, bro. It's cool. Now you just pull this little thingamabobber here. Ooh. Ooh. Now we grab it. Cool. Damn, look at that. Chalky milk. Look at that, right on the deck. Focus, bro. There you go. Let it rip. What I like about these bottles is like you can just seal the deal like that. Push her on in. Choke. Clickbait. You do need Tim W40, especially in this heat. Like all the additives that are in that oil is just good. It's better to go with the thicker oil on certain types of cars, especially these cars, because these cars do consume oil. So, because every 1,000 miles you would always have to like constantly check your dipstick. If you don't, then yeah, it could lead to other problems. 5W30 at Subaru, which they say it's Mobile 1, but it's basically just recycled oil. They use a filter at Subaru, but don't go to dealerships. Because trying to get something good, Liquimoly, which I do shout out to these guys, PGB Works. They have all the oil that you do need. Shout out to my boy Tristan. He's the one that supplied me. Let her rip, buddy. There you have it. Did the oil change with some Liquimoly 10W40 and a Wrx XP oil filter. Topped off my fluids, make sure everything was good. Brake fluid's still good. That thing's like bright gold. Other than that, this car is good to be back on the road. All it needs is just a good wash because of that little shit stain there. Fixed my front lip. And also did some rust prevention, which I will be doing more soon. So far it's been pretty good. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, it turns heads. As much as I don't want to be driving it as much, because I know this car love it. It's one of my dream cars. Appreciate you guys for watching. I know some of y'all honestly appreciate y'all guys. I will be trying to upload more videos soon because I do want to. I want to be doing that while keep my life 50-50. You know, work. Oh, I will be doing this pretty soon. Here, I'll show you. So here is my buddy Wrx Datsun. It's fairly, what is it, a 240? He has an LS in it. This thing is really clean. I am gonna be doing a video on this car soon because as you can see, paint. The paint. But yeah, there you guys have it. Slowly doing this, slowly learning how to do this, how to make videos, how to talk in videos and stuff. So getting out of my comfort zone to do stuff like this, because I've never done stuff like this. So yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. I will include this with my buffing video because it's just been I've been busy doing stuff, so life's been lifing. I'll keep you guys posted when I get that done. See you guys on the next video.